Hello everyone, once again this is Cody Swallow at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. It's time for another Feature Friday. Today we're going to show you this reflection fifth wheel. This is a 320 MKS. Unloaded weight on this camper is 10,980 pounds. This is easily towable with any 3/4 ton. You can even probably tow with some of the half tons out there. Nice big pass-through storage up front here. This also has the auto leveling system on the outside, so when you get to your campsite, you just push a button, camper sets itself up. You can also download an app on your phone where you can control everything on there, leveling, awnings, lights, everything from there too. On the outside of this one, nice little feature here for a fifth wheel that's not a bunkhouse. You got an outside entertainment center with a TV, little cold drink cooler out here, as well as a 2-burner stove. On the back, it's wired and braced and set up for double towing here. And you've also prepped for a monitor observation camera up at the back here, and you've got your roof access ladder. On the front, you'll notice you got an electric awning here on the side and an electric awning in the front. So both of those, and both of those will give you plenty of shaded area, and they both have the LED light strip underneath them. Let's go take a look at the inside. So this is a great floor plan all around. You've got the opposing sides in the living area. Right up front here, this sofa gives you seating, of course, but it's a tri-fold sofa, so that'll fold out and give you an extra sleeping area. Dual reclining theater seats here. Both of these are going to have the massage and the heats in the seats. Then you've got your booth dinette table combination. So you got a couple of chairs here. You have the booth on this side, but you also have this ottoman, which you can take out, use in front of the sofa there, and it's also good for storage. Right back here, you got a little desk area set up with lots of overhead cabinet storage here. Big 12 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. So you got the double doors on the bottom, as well as double the freezer space up top. One thing that a lot of customers like is this nice big island. Gives you lots of counter space and working space. You've also got the nice pull-out sprayer that you can clean your sink out with. And you've got the big stainless steel farmhouse sink inside of here. And you got these nice solid covers that sit on there. Across from here, you got your convection oven microwave at the top. You got the new 3-burner Furrion cooktop, as well as a nice big Furrion oven. And more counter space all the way across, as well as more cabinet space for storage. Next to that, you've got a nice pantry. This has a motion sensor light that comes on automatically when you open that door, with lots of good pantry storage there. And you've got the storage on the other side of this island as well. Directly across from your theater seats there is your television, your 5,000 BTU electric heater and fireplace. And you've also got your AM/FM radio, CD, and DVD player up here. This is also Bluetooth capable, so you can sit outside, change your sources, audio, everything like that. Walking up to the front here, let's take a look at the bedroom first. So the nice thing about this one is the bed slides out, so it gives you all this room to move around inside the bedroom. Gives you a big chest of drawers up here, as well as more overhead storage, and there is a place to mount a secondary TV up here. Oh, by the way, this is a 50 amp coach. It does have 2 air conditioning units. I didn't mention that outside. Up here, because the bed slides out, it gives you this great big closet up here. Lots and lots of storage. Come take a look a little bit closer. You got shelving on the back for shoes or folded clothes and things like that. Your hanging rack here, you also have the option, if you wanted to put a washer and a dryer on either side in this closet up here. And then underneath the king size bed, you got more storage down here as well. So one good thing that Grand Design does in all their products is gives you lots and lots of storage. Let's go and take a look at the bathroom. A nice feature I really appreciate is this one-piece fiberglass shower. No seams or anything, no sharp corners and stuff, makes it easy to keep clean. You've also got the 3-glass sliding door here. So you got a nice solid shower door. And inside of here, you also have a little seat as well. Of course, your ceramic commode here. You got towel and linen storage up on the side next to the shower. They already have your towel rack here for your drying towels. And then you've got lots of storage underneath the vanity here. And then a nice big Facebook. And you've got your medicine cabinet right above that. So lots and lots of storage. This also has a pocket door that'll close this bathroom off, so you don't have that extra door swinging into the hallway there. Okay guys, so once again, I'm Cody Swallow at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. This has been Feature Friday, and this is the Reflection 320 MKS fifth wheel. Thank you.